Hi, and welcome back to another video. This is going to be another simple how-to video. I'm going to show y'all how to disassemble an Xbox 360 controller, whether you're trying to paint it or just trying to clean it. Alrighty, y'all ready? Let's go. Before we get started, I'd like to give a shout out to Kicking It with Kimberly. I appreciate the shout out. Y'all go check out her stuff. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate y'all. Let's go. Here are some of the tools that you may or may not use during the disassembly process. I got my T-Torx 8 driver. I got my metal pry tool. I got my plastic pry tool, and I also have my tweezers. Now you can use this for like removing the sticker part underneath or any other thing you need it for. Alrighty, now back to the video. In order to get inside of the controller, you have to remove all 7 of these T-Torx 8 screws. And you got a surprise. In order to get to the 7th one, it's underneath that sticker, which makes that tweezers come in handy, unless you get with your fingernails. Okay, y'all, let's get started in removing. Here's the boring part where I take my time unscrewing all 7 of the screws. And here I go. Oh, got one there. Loosening up the second one as we speak here. Okay, y'all can see the rest is history. All right. So as you can see, no words are needed. I'm just removing T-Torx 8 screws. No words needed. And we're almost getting to the finish line at this point. So now we remove all 6 of the visible screws. Let's get to that one that's hiding from us. Where is it hiding, you say? I'm pointing to it right there. It's underneath that label. So we have to peel that label back to remove the 7th and final screw. Yay. So I grabbed my tweezers there. I peeled it back like an onion. Grabbed my T-Torx 8 driver. And I go to work on that last one because I can see the finish line in sight. Yay! Woohoo! I got excited because I was getting to the finish line. Instead of using my pry tools, I decided to use my man hands. Yep, man hands, no Burger King hands here. So you can do this, but I advise you not to do it. If you have pry tools, use the pry tools to open up the controller. And also another thing to note is that when I'm pointing to the buttons right there, if you open it up too fast or too aggressive, all that stuff can fly out all over the place. Like that, you see the vibration motor jiggle inside the Xbox 360 controller? Don't do it that way. Be gentle, y'all. Voila, just like that, it is open. You can do whatever you need to do, whether you want to clean it, get all the dust and stuff out of it, whether you want to replace something that's not working inside, or whether you want to take it apart the rest of the way to paint it, whatever color you like. Okay, to reassemble it or put it back together, make sure everything's inside in its rightful order and place. Line up the bottom piece with the top piece. Slowly apply pressure when everything's lined up until everything clicks in place. Once you're finished with whether you're cleaning it or changing a part out, you want to reinsert all 7 of the screws in the rightful place and tighten down. Please don't over tighten. Pretty sure y'all got it, so I'm going to finish it off camera. Thank y'all for watching this video. Please at the end, like, comment, and subscribe. Whatever you do in life, please do it graceful. Be graceful, everybody.